Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to talk about the most common issue users come across in the Citrix environment. So users, when they're trying to access virtual desktop or normal virtual applications, they experience this problem. Let's say there is a user called Tom and this user is trying to access virtual desktop. So user clicked on this virtual desktop and it's trying to launch. It should take a few seconds to launch. Okay, so user logged into the VDI machine successfully. Now this user worked on this VDI machine for like 45 minutes or 1 hour. At some point in time, this user wants to go out and have a coffee. Okay, so this user wants to take a break. So what this user can do is user can click on this Zen-Desktop toolbar and click on this disconnect option. Okay, and I'm going to click OK. So now this session would get disconnected. Okay, now the session got disconnected. So there is another way to disconnect the session. Users can simply click on this arrow here, right click on receiver or Citrix workspace, click on connection center, and they can select the session here and click on disconnect. Okay, so these are the two ways to disconnect the session. Now, what happens is after 30 minutes, if the user wants to come back and reconnect to the same VDI session, when user clicks on it, okay, user is trying to reconnect to the VDI session, which was in disconnected state. Okay, it gets stuck here exactly. It gets stuck here. Okay, and it stays like that for many minutes. It stays like that for like 10 minutes or something, and it doesn't let user to log into this desktop session. Okay, it doesn't let user to log into the desktop. So I will show that to you in a minute. So this user disconnects the session. Okay, I'm going to show that to you. So when this issue happens, I'll click disconnect. Okay, now the session got disconnected. What you can do is when users come across this problem, okay, when they try to reconnect to the disconnected session, it doesn't let them launch the session. Okay, so they are not able to log into the they are not able to reconnect to the disconnected session. So in that case, what you can do is you can go to director, click on search. Okay, type the name of the user, click on the user details. It will look for the active sessions. Okay, if you see here, there is one session which is in disconnected state. Click on it. Okay, if you see here, the session is in disconnected state. So usually users, when they try to reconnect to the disconnected session, it should launch. Okay, they should be able to connect to the disconnected session. But for whatever reason, users, when they try to reconnect, they are not able to log into the desktop. It just keeps loading, or it just keeps loading like this horizontally, or if it is a virtual desktop, it just keeps loading, but it doesn't let the user to log into the desktop completely. In that case, what you can do is, this is the most common issue. Okay, if you check the director, the session is in disconnected state. You have to just log off the session. Okay, click on log off. So once you click on log off, the session would be the session would be logged off. Okay, so once the session is logged off, what you can do is you can tell the user to click on the machine and try to launch the new session. Okay, so Tom is trying to click the VDI machine again to launch a new session. Okay, this time, so when the issue was there, it was loading here, it was stuck here, but now user logged into the desktop successfully. So this is the most common issue. Okay, so whenever users work on the machine, and when they disconnect to have a coffee or go for lunch, and when they come back, when they try to reconnect to the same disconnected session, for whatever reason it doesn't let them log into the old session. So in that case, users have challenges connecting to the Citrix applications. So Citrix administrators or Citrix L1 technicians can simply log into Director or Studio, and they can simply log off that disconnected session, and tell the user to launch a new session. Once the session is logged off, user needs to launch a new session, and user will be able to launch the machine and access the application without any issues. Okay, I hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.